Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to a JPG image in iLovePDF in 2026. So let's jump right in. Now, this tool is perfect when you want to save pages as images, share screenshots, or create thumbnails, or even extract visual content. So first, you're gonna have to open the PDF to JPG tool. Now, you're gonna make sure to head to iLovePDF by typing in iLovePDF in the search bar. Then, inside the homepage of the website, you're gonna look for the JPG to the JPG. As you can see, you're gonna go to the Convert PDF section, and here you're gonna find the JPG to PDF. So you're gonna select the JPG image. Now we want to convert a PDF to JPG. So we're gonna click on this tool right here, and then we're gonna select PDF tool. You can upload your PDF from the Dropbox or even Google Drive. So make sure to, or you can do it from your computer. So you're gonna select your PDF here, and then you can choose either you want pages to JPG, or you want to extract images. For example, if I want to extract images from this website, I'm gonna select extract images. And if you want to turn pages to JPG, I'm gonna select this option right here. You can even choose the image quality from high or normal. Then you're gonna click on Convert JPG. And then finally, we're gonna just click on the download JPG image right here. Click on it, and you're gonna be as you can see, there's this zip file. This contains all the pages on a JPG format. So wait for it to be downloaded, and as you can see, these are images of the pages, as you can see. Now let's go back here. Now, many users convert PDFs to images for presentations, social media tutorials, and graphic design projects. Another huge tip is using high-quality source PDFs for the best image results. And that's it. Now you know how to convert PDFs to JPG in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.